Hey guys, here is a basic finger picking exercise. So your thumb takes the low G string. Your index finger, finger 1, takes the C string or the 3rd string. Your middle finger or finger 2 takes the 2nd string or E, and your ring finger takes the A string. That's your 1st string. So each finger gets a string. Your job is to make sure that when you pull off the string, you don't go too far so you can fall back in the right place. So let's try that 4 times with each string, 3 and 4. Moving on to C with the index finger, and middle finger on the E string, and finally ring finger on the A or 1st string. Okay, so the job is the fingers got to stay pretty close. Let's do one at a time now. When you're first starting this, you'll need to look at your right hand or your plucking hand, but the idea is to feel. So force yourself to look away, look at your music, look out the window, look at your adoring audience, and go up and down the strings. Okay, currently we've just been going up the strings. Let's try going back down. So the key here is that when your fingers leave the string, they don't go too far. If you pull too much, it's hard to keep time and it's hard to land back in the right place. Please practice this evenly through all of your principal chords, such as C, A minor, F, G,